Hello. Okay, so what's up you guys? Welcome back to a new video on my channel. I am very excited to be making this video. For background context, I started my new job on Monday, my full-time job, my first official post-college job, my big girl job, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, so this week has just been my onboarding week. Today is Wednesday, and I just feel like there is no better time to start new habits than a time like this. Like, obviously I have a lot going on. I have moved into my new apartment, which is very exciting. I'm still kind of getting settled in here. But yeah, there's no time like now to start some new habits because I feel like I have basically just had a fresh start. Like, it feels like almost like the start of like a new school year or something. Like, it's the start of a brand new thing. I'm doing something new. And yeah, I'm really excited about it. Most of the habits I'm going to be probably implementing, I'm going to try to do in the mornings, because I, for the majority of my life, have been somebody who is like a notorious like roll out of bed 10 minutes before I have to leave, get ready kind of gal. And I just think that, you know, maybe I'm outgrowing that a little bit. Maybe it's time to make a change, to try to start my days in a little bit of a different way. And so that's something I want to start trying. But I also have some evening habits that I want to try and start implementing as well. Whenever I was in high school, I used to be really good about journaling, about doing meditation, and so I really want to try to get those habits involved. Also, another one I want to start is flossing, and I know that's bad. Like, I know I probably should be doing that this whole time anyway, but I just haven't. Simply have not. It's hard for me to do. I don't know why. But yeah, so those are just a few of my habits. I am basically going to be vlogging just like the next couple nights. It's like 7:30 on a Thursday? No, 7:30 on Wednesday. So I'm just going to be taking you through my next few days, showing you a little bit of how I'm trying to adjust to my new post-grad life and starting my new job and everything. So it's all very exciting, and I just wanted to bring you guys along. We can have a sneak peek of how I was feeling about this job on Monday with this clip right now. Good morning everybody, and welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today I'm going to be starting a little weekly vlog. This is going to be a work week in my life. It happens to be my first ever work week in my life. I am starting my new job today, which is very exciting. I've got all dolled up as much as I feel comfortable anyway. I like tried to do like a fake blowout with my hair using a straightener, which I don't know if it really worked, but it at least looks nicer than it normally does, so I'm gonna go with it. I literally need to be out the door about 1 minute ago, so I just wanted to start this video off really quickly, let you guys know how I'm feeling this morning, which is quite nervous and a little excited too, obviously, but we'll see how it goes. I mean, this job is a little interesting because I did technically work at this company last year. Like, I did an internship there, so I know kind of what to expect, but it's still a big deal. It's my first big girl job, as one might say, so yay. I haven't decided. I was gonna go take a tap class potentially, and I literally have all the stuff to go to said tap class like in my work bag, but I haven't decided if I want to go for sure or not. I probably will because I think it'll be good for me. Like, I was feeling a little like panicky yesterday, a little very like worked up and nervous, so I think that at the end of today it might be good for me to go do that, just to like get some of the stress out and move and dance and that kind of thing. So we'll see what happens, but I will keep you updated. I probably won't talk to you like while I'm there, obviously, but maybe later, and then obviously throughout the week. So thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already, and let's go. So yes, I was pretty nervous about my job on Monday, but I am feeling much better about it now. The people that I'm working with seem really nice, and I'm doing like a rotational program thing, so I'm gonna get to try out a few different things over the course of the next couple years. And yeah, I am really excited about it. It is still definitely a pretty big adjustment overall, so gonna be lots of things to get used to, but I really think that having these habits to focus on, especially because a lot of them really do have to do with just like mental health and like trying to keep myself happy and healthy, and in this kind of time of where there's all of these big adjustments and my emotions are kind of everywhere anyway, I think just having these habits just makes a world of a difference. So first of all, I'm gonna start my evening off. I need to make some dinner. I think I'm just gonna do like a vegetable stir fry, and something that I tend to do is I will buy like obviously like normal things of chicken, and then I like to just divide them up. I'm not a big like meal prep person, just because I like to kind of vary my foods throughout the week, but I do tend to freeze a lot of things and then like heat them up later, which I don't know, maybe that's a controversial thing to do, but I've always done it and I did it all through college. So I'm just gonna cut up the chicken breast. I can't decide if I want to do halves or just like put them in. I think I'm probably gonna cut them in half. I just feel like for only one serving, I probably don't need a whole chicken breast, or maybe I do. I'm gonna cook one whole one now, and then I'm gonna cut the other one in half, the other two in half, so that I can defrost them easier if I just want one serving. But I'm hoping to make like my dinner tonight I want to have for lunch tomorrow, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, ignore the fact that I look like a raccoon. I have just finished eating, so I'm gonna go make sure to clean up the kitchen now, clean up all of my mess so that I don't have to do it in the morning. Okay, so I've just cleaned up the kitchen after cooking my dinner. Here is still a mess, but that's still like moving stuff, like that's not a big deal. But all of this part of the kitchen is nice and clean now. I also just had some pudding, just had a little mochi ice cream thing. As you can see here, I have a package, and it's a bookshelf that I want to set up. So I think I am going to do that now. I have put on a David Attenborough documentary, but I'm really tempted to put on Love Island. Debating if I want to watch some good old reality TV or something that's more nourishing for the brain, you don't know. Okay, so it is a lot later now. It's like 11 o'clock, and I would have liked to be going to bed a little bit earlier than this, but something else that I wanted to do was just make sure that I'm keeping in touch with people. So called my boyfriend and we watched an episode of a TV show together, which was really nice. We actually started it earlier, but the fire alarm went off in my building, like the actual full building one, so I had to go outside, and then the fire brigade showed up, and luckily there was nothing that was going on, but it was a little bit hectic. But I did get to meet my neighbors for the first time, which I guess was good. People seem nice, so that's always a good thing. But yeah, so now I'm about to head to bed, and there are a couple of little habits that I want to make sure that I do before I go to sleep. So first of all, I need to go and do my skincare, and also like brush my teeth and floss and all of that, and all of that's super important. So I'm gonna go do that right now. Also, I did finish building my bookshelf while I was watching the show with my boyfriend. So this is what it looks like. I think it looks so cute. I put some like vines on it because I'm really trying to up the greenery in here. More will be coming. I just need to like figure it out. Especially once I get like artwork and stuff on these walls, it's really gonna start to come together. But having a bookshelf is like my favorite thing ever. So I'm very excited that it's there, and it has some of my books that I brought from home, because I'm not buying any new books anytime soon because I spent all my money on the bookshelf and on furniture and that kind of thing. So yeah. Okay, so I am now pretty much all ready for bed. The last couple of habits that I'm gonna do right before I go to sleep. The first one is just journaling. So I write everything down in a journal, just like do like one page in this journal right before I go to sleep. And then the other thing that I'm gonna do is a Headspace meditation. So I've been working my way through Headspace 365, the course on there, just to relax my mind right before I go to sleep. I won't lie, sometimes I do just fall asleep in the middle of them, which I know is not good, but I usually try to stay awake, and then whenever it's done, I'll go straight to sleep, and I feel really good in the morning as well. So those are the 2 habits for tonight. Hopefully I'll get up quite early in the morning, and I'll talk to you then. Good night. Okay, good morning. It is Thursday morning. I'm pretty much all ready for work. I didn't do so well in healthy habits I wanted to do today, but that's why I have tomorrow. You know, every day is a new day. I did get up earlier than I normally would. I was aiming to get up an hour early. I got up like 30 minutes early and just got ready. Did some nice hair and makeup. My hair is so greasy because I had planned to wash it tonight, but I did like a slicked back hairstyle yesterday because I thought I was working from home today, so I didn't think it was gonna matter. And I was wrong. So we're just going with this. It's fine. I did pack myself a lunch. I'm just gonna bring leftovers from yesterday. So I guess those are healthy habits. You know, I'm taking care of myself, and I'm bringing a packed lunch so I don't have to spend money on lunch. So I'm gonna head out now and yeah, head to work. It is Thursday night. It has been another very long day. I'm exhausted. So after work, I actually stayed late, and then I went and just sat in my car for a bit, and then I drove to a dance class. It just happened to be like closer to work, so I didn't really want to come all the way back and then go back to where it was again. So I just stayed like in the area and I went to the dance class. It wasn't my favorite class ever. Like, I feel like I'm just really exhausted. Like, another healthy habit that I wanted to start is if I'm not going to a dance class, I want to try to get up early in the morning and work out before I go to work, just because it like frees up my evening a little bit more and I can kind of relax whenever I get home rather than having to like ramp up my energy. So I did that yesterday, and I did a workout before work yesterday, and I think I'm still like recovering from that because this morning I was so tired. I think I filmed something this morning, but I'm honestly not sure because I was so exhausted. Like, the whole way while I was driving to work, I was like, mustn't fall asleep. Like, I was like slapping myself, like trying to stay awake. I'm also thinking like maybe it'd be fun to do just like after work vlogs. I don't know if that's like a fun thing. I just don't feel personally comfortable like vlogging with work during the day. Like, maybe I could whenever I work from home, like at least like check in on some of my breaks and whatever, but I don't know. I have mixed feelings about it. I kind of want to keep that like separate. I am like obsessed with my bookshelf though. I think it looks so cute in here. I am also watching some Haley Pham videos, but I think it looks so good. I put the little vines on the side. It makes me so excited to just like go buy books, which I'm not gonna do because I haven't actually gotten paid yet, and I not buying anything I don't need right now. I also have my sofa like extended, which I love. It's so cozy, and like this sofa was not crazy expensive, so it was like less than $500, which I think is pretty good for a comfortable sofa like this, especially one that like turns into a bed. That is my check-in for now. I will probably see you again tomorrow. I'm working from home tomorrow. I wasn't supposed to be originally, but some things changed, so I am now. And yeah, so it'll be my first time working from home. Hopefully my Wi-Fi holds up. I'm gonna continue with my healthy habits tonight. I'm gonna do my journaling. I'm gonna do my Headspace,
and I'm just gonna like relax for a little while. I'm probably gonna wind up going to bed a little bit later again tonight just because I did go to that dance class and I have only just had dinner and it's like already 10:30. So I'm just gonna chill out for a bit, shower, get ready for bed, all that fun stuff. Hey guys, it is Friday night and I'm gonna be doing absolutely nothing because the only people I know are the people I work with and I'm not close enough with them to hang out yet. And I'm also exhausted. It's been the longest week ever. So I went to Crumble and I went to Blaze and I got some food and I'm just gonna sit and I'm gonna eat it and I'm gonna watch some Netflix and I'm just gonna relax because that's all I have the energy for right now. I have been sat in my apartment working all day. It's not like I left, but that's just what life is like. I was gonna do some yoga or something, but it just didn't wind up happening, and then I had to like hassle Amazon because I bought a desk from them and it was never delivered, or maybe it was delivered and somebody in the apartment building lost it. I don't really know. Either way, I didn't get it, so I had to like get them to give me a refund and then rebuy it. So yeah, that's the current situation. Gonna eat some dinner and watch this show. I think I'm gonna start The Empress. We'll see if I like it. Give it a try. Time for a, oh my gosh, I almost just dropped that, crumble cookie taste test. I love crumble. A few years ago, like I was like a weekly, every single week there, sometimes twice a week. If I like the flavors, I go back and get like a 4-pack of the one I really liked. So yeah, I went and got some today. I had some crumble cash that I could use. So I'm gonna try these cookies and let you know what I think. Oh, I wanna cut them up first. This is the only way for me to make sure that I do not eat the entire cookie in one sitting. Okay, so the first one I'm gonna try is this cookie dough one. I don't think I've tried this one before, and this one comes chilled, so it's not warm like they usually are. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. I think it's just a basic sugar cookie with like an interesting icing, but I'm not sure I actually like the icing that much. It also has like cookie dough bits on it, but okay, it's fine. Tastes good. And the second one I got was a churro flavor, so I think it's just gonna be like a snickerdoodle cookie, which I love snickerdoodle, so I'm sure I'll enjoy. I would say neither of these are like my favorites I've ever gotten from Crumble, but they are pretty good.